This is my son Samuel's room. This is how it looked before I went in to declutter and organize it. I love toy boxes for kids' toys because everything can just be put away really quickly, really easily. You're not having to organize a bunch of shelves and make the toys look really neat. So even before Christmas got here, I knew that this was going to have to happen. I didn't want to put a bunch of new Christmas toys on top of these old toys, which he doesn't really play with anymore anyways. And I don't really think he needs a whole lot more than can fit in these 2 bins. And then besides his room just needing to be cleaned anyways, I wanted to get rid of the clutter. My kids are homeschooled, but I wanted to do this when my son was not around, so I had to do it this Friday when they were at their hybrid school. I was trying to think of some questions I could ask myself or some guidelines to know what to get rid of and what to keep. And so I got on Pinterest, of course, and they were listing some questions that people suggested you ask yourself, like, is it broken? Obviously, you get rid of those toys. Or does the kid play with this in the last week or the last month? Well, no and no for Samuel. So I was going to get rid of most all of these toys. I was just going to keep the ones with sentimental value. So I cleaned out this bin too, and if you've seen my videos before, you know my favorite way to declutter and organize is to make piles. Decided to keep all of the Legos. That's trash, of course. I'm going to get rid of that. And then this pile goes to the Salvation Army. I'm getting rid of all that stuff. And then over here, you can see his secret stash of candy. And then also these books, which I'm not going to get rid of those books either. These are the piles from the other box. I've got his costumes and just kind of some stuff that I keep for memories, and then I don't want to get rid of those. And then I have, those are his new toys, his Transformers, which he loves, and so I'm going to keep those, of course, so he'll play with those. And then that pile is going bye-bye. Okay, I organized this bin into Transformers, Ryan's World. I don't know if y'all know that kid, Ryan's World. He was on YouTube and now he's at Target and kids are obsessed. I can't even believe it. He's like a billionaire now. So Ryan's World toys, Transformers, big Transformers, and then just he likes those Roblox things. Those are in those bags. And so the reason I did bags was because I didn't want to go to the store and get some fancy organization system because I just wanted to try to save money on this. I'm just going to keep these in these little Christmas bags for now. If I come across something in the store that looks like it would work really well, I'll probably get it, but for now I'm just going to try this out. Okay guys, these are the bags I ended up with. This one's trash, and then this one is big toys and more toys and more toys that are all going to the Salvation Army. So I'm going to take those. They're going to go in the garage for now and go to the Salvation Army the next time I go, and that's everything. It's all cleaned out. So obviously I made his bed, but over here I fixed the toy box like this, and he's got Batman's cave, I guess, right there. And then he has his big toys here. I couldn't really fit them in anything. Yes, I still need to get his dresser fixed. I can see those drawers. I am working on it. But over here, I cleaned out this, well, there's his books. He's weighted like a transformer kind of thing right now. So there's his books and his rock. Don't ask me. But there, I did save his secret stash of toys. I mean, his secret stash of candy back there that I'm not supposed to know about. And then in this box, I put like his little stuffed animals. There's his book, his binoculars, and then just like his costumes and his swords and that kind of thing. And this toy that he got for Christmas too. And then his Legos, I kept all those because there's a million of them and I think they are fun for him to play with.